So this is a symbol for crescent and star. For creating this symbol in your Windows computer, you must open your Microsoft Word or PowerPoint, and after that you must use a shortcut code. That is, you must go to your computer keyboard. In this keyboard, this is the number lock key. Suppose if this number lock is off, you must turn it on like this, and the next step is you must press and hold this Alt key. You do not remove your finger from this Alt key. At the same time, you must type here 9770. After typing that only you must release your this finger from your Alt key. So you can see that the symbol have been arrived in your computer. So this tan and crescent shortcut code is Alt 9770. For more video updates like this, you can subscribe our channel Engineers World Online. Thank you.